Okay, this is a super quick video on testing the forward neutral reverse switch on your meter. The black meter goes into the ground terminal on the port. You see there? Turn the key on. There's two sets of terminals on the switch. Usually this outside set here is for the deck. The inside set is for the drive motor. Set the switch in the neutral position. Test the voltage on each of the end terminals. They should be about 5 volts or more. Switch it to forward. The two back terminals should go to 0 volts. Switch it to forward or reverse. The two front terminals will go to 0 volts. And that's it. That'll tell you if the switch is working properly.